tables have turned and they won't turn back.
Yeah, the table is stuck. Well, welcome to the Mill Brook Railroad, and today I've got some footage from earlier this year of fixing the turntable, getting it working again. The first thing we have to do is level the ring, which had a lot of frost heaves on it and hadn't really been leveled all that well in the first place. So we're going to start with leveling out the ring, and then we'll go to lubricating all the things that are supposed to turn and stuff that are seized up.
That tie's gone. That tie's gone. I missed. No. You hit something. Rebar. I've got the hammer. And a rock. I missed.
You missed.
There we go. Nothing.
This definitely needs a concrete.
Something more stable than dirt.
This definitely needs a concrete
Woo! Oh! I wonder if we just spin it enough times, will it level itself out? Because that seems to be exactly what it's doing.
Yeah.
Until it hits that.
Well, it just spread the outside of this ring, so it's off the track.
Oh. Okay. So
I need this rebar right here.
Our professional cameraman. I don't know the setup how this works. Oh, don't do that.
Yeah, but with a bigger hammer. You get a big...
I missed!
I guess I can't call you John Henry. That wouldn't be good.
That's what my brother was calling me when I started with CSX.
John Henry?
He was making the joke constantly. I can't aim.
That's probably good right there. I'll cut the rest of it off.
Yeah. That way we get more rebar.
Yeah. Bebop, rebob. Turntable.
Oh my god, turntable spins now. These rollers aren't rolling, by the way. They're just kind of scraping along. Hey Clem, I think you gotta roll the roller a little bit to make it roll.
Roll on, buddy, roll on. Roll on, buddy, roll on. Whew!
Dang, she rolled good.
Did that actually roll, or is it just sliding on PB?
Whatever it was good.
Oh, so what you... Oh, that one's the only one actually rolling.
I hear some squeakage.
Squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. Ah, wasp! She's come for revenge!
Gotta watch out for those white Anglo-Saxon Protestants.
That's what WASP stands for, yes. Ooh! Is that side rolling now? No.
It feels like it.
That side is still definitely sliding. I think I saw spark. Or is that wheel? Okay, so the only side that's actually rolling... That's the first time you've been able to do that in a while. You know what? That might actually work. Here. We don't need weight on that side. We need weight on that side. Here, take this. I'm probably going to fall into the weeds when I do that. Oh! Oh! She spins! Spins she does! Hey, trade.
What do you know? There's a railroad nearby.
Oh no, those are still just sliding.
Well, keep
Wait,
going.
is that one?
Go the other way.
Okay.
The other way.
The other way!
I'm holding on.
Follow Jethro! Here, you sit on the side that's not spinning. And maybe, because I'm just kind of pushing it along. We need more weight on the side that's not being spun.
What?
What? Oh yeah, there we go.
Whoa! That was jarring.
Oh, I think I'm going.
The things with...
Oh! My very comfortable seating brick.
I don't know why you chose that.
It was the closest thing to the tracks to sit on.
That's just laziness in that case.
Yeah. And we'll...
You're taking the turntable wall. Okay, so go ahead and take it. Don't put it on top.
I need it there.
No,
I need as much weight on that side.
on that side.
Directly on top of those
That's gonna
wheels.
fling right off.
Probably, but it'll be funny. Are they spinning yet?
No, because you're pushing this side down, but this side's spinning.
I guess this is the end credit scene.
Yeah, both that side is spinning. You gotta push down on. So, push down on the other side. Yep. Oh, congratulations, you didn't it. They both appeared to be seized. Well, hang on. Whoa, stop. We gotta do something to unseizure these.
Unseizure them.
These are the rollers we're trying to unstick.
If you wonder why we're spinning this thing around like idiots.
Yeah. Banging on the bearings, maybe we'll ruin them, maybe we won't.
Oh, wait, wrong song. What I need is a pair of pliers or a wrench.
You know what? A pair of
Parry the pliers? I don't need the funny bits. I am the funny bits.
the funny bits.
That's my workaround to Patreon.
This is workaround Patreon. People are always trying to work around Patreon. Oh, they. Okay.
But I help with the railroad. That's also my workaround.
Yeah. I know. It's fine. It'll be fine.
Side of the rock break.
I gotta get this thing moving. Ah, there we go. Moving. It's moving.
Moving.
It's moving.
It's moving.
It's moving.
It's moving.
It is moving ever so slightly.
Does that mean we start spinning the turntable again?
Ah, yes.
Or,
Probably.
you know what? Where's the PB? Hit it with more.
Hit it with more PB.
Try not to get it on the rails, because I think that's why it wasn't, catching.
Well,
Because I think we were just
try not to
greasing
get
up-
it on the rails. It's
we
just
were
sitting on the
greasing
rails,
up
of
the
course.
track. I know. It's nothing you can do about it.
Yeah, there's nothing you can do about it.
I mean, that is the alternative, is
Rails.
just, get railroad grade grease and just lube up the track. That is an alternative. Here, I'll take these ones. You got rocks. You got both the pads. I got pain. Ow. No pain, brother.
Is it moving?
It moves.
Ah.
I'm gonna get it.
It moves.
It moves. Yes. Baby, come on. Oh, there is all sorts of gunk falling out of that now.
I kind of figured there would be.
I can't turn it much, but I can turn it enough to get it. So I can do this. A little bit of this.
As he hits it with a world famous peanut butter blaster.
The peanut butter nator. I think.
Not for use with people with peanut allergies.
No. You can definitely see where it was stuck. There was a nice gap. Or not gap. My knuckles are being dusted. You've got more leverage on your side. It's a lot higher. You can grab it better. Are you pulling the turntable?
It appears so.
So that means, because that's what mine started doing right before. Magic! Oh. Yippee! Alright, we now have a functional turntable.
A functioning turntable. Wow.
That is a functioning.
Harry the functioning turntable. Dooba dooba dooba.
Here, you want to
That's a ride.
Now you just need to play the song Dom and Bommel. Alright, now for those in back. That is very impressive, and we did that in what, a couple hours, just a little bit of leveling?
Something like that, yeah. It was close already.
It was close.
Yeah.
No cigar, but now it's got the cigar and a lighter.
Cigar and a lighter. Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Now,
It actually ended a lot better than I expected it to.
you expected it to end in sadness, did you?
No, not sadness, but I didn't think we'd actually get it unbound up and, free floating.
Free bird! Well, I guess that's our video for today.
I would say so.
Yeah, that's good. I gotta go to the hardware store with my wife. It's a date night.
Ooh.
We go to the farm store on date nights.
Sounds like fun. Don't come back with chicks.
Yeah. I go to the farm store to pick up chicks.
Here's a comprehensive guide on how to pick up chicks. Step 1, locate a chick. Once found, gently put your hands out and clasp them together.
Yes.
If the bird is still in your hand, lift up. Successfully, you have picked up chicks. That is the end of my PSA.
Bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. A bird in the hand is worth two in Greenbush. 4 in Troy.
East or west? Yeah, so what you need is
Yes.
So yeah, what you need is something to this one.
A handle?
A handle. Maybe not even a permanent handle. Just
Are
one.
you saying we gotta get a handle on it?
You need to get a handle on things, Aaron.
Okay.
You really do.
We really gotta get a handle on things.
That or just have something out here that you can just put a hole in one of each end and just push it. The fact that that floated like that. Now I gotta try this.
Don't run yourself over.
I'm trying not to.
Hey,
Oh,
you didn't even get it. You almost got me.
there it goes. It's in there now. Come on, in.
In like Flynn.
Here, would you like some?
Well, no, but I think the turntable would.
Smells good.
Smells better than double D40.
Did you know that?
Or even half D40. Ow.
It bit me up. This is very...
Okay, that's good. Let's give it a spin.
Give it a bean. Give it a bean.
Here, take her for a spin.
Oh, yeah. Here, let's put it in there. Look. Oh, that already feels more free. Free bird?
It's got a howling bearing too.
It does. Howl's moving bearing.
So I think we need to do some more adjustment to the ring because I'm seeing other areas that it's just it's a little flat in places. I mean, like not round flat. So yeah, adjusting the circumference, adjusting circumference with a hammer. I normally you go to jail for that, but yeah.
Yeah. Make a cement ring around it.
Ring around the table.
I tried finding something that rhymed with table, but I wasn't able. I know.
Wow.
Send in the limes.
Lime that
Send
man.
in the citrus.
Thanks for watching.